This section covers the basics of turning on your ThinkPad docking station. Most modern ThinkPad docking stations, especially USB-C and Thunderbolt models, don't have a power button. They automatically turn on when you connect your powered-on ThinkPad laptop via the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. For standalone use with external monitors, ensure the dock is connected to its power adapter and plugged into a working outlet. Connect the dock to your laptop and it should automatically power on, indicated by the peripherals connected to the dock lighting up. If you are using older models, align the connector correctly and press the power button on the docking station to power it on. Verify connection by checking that peripherals connected to the dock are functioning. If the dock doesn't power on automatically, first restart your ThinkPad. Then, ensure the dock's firmware is up to date using the Lenovo Vantage app, downloadable from Lenovo's official website. A faulty or damaged cable can prevent the dock from turning on, so try a different compatible USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Make sure the power adapter is properly connected and that the outlet is working. Also check Device Manager to verify the hardware is connected and no driver issues exist. For legacy docks, double-check the connector alignment. Always avoid forcing connections. Contact Lenovo support if the issue persists after troubleshooting.